Jotform offers two primary methods for embedding forms on your website: iFrame and script embedding. Each method has distinct characteristics and benefits that make them suitable for different use cases. The iFrame method places your form within an HTML frame, creating a self-contained environment. This approach maintains Jotform's original styling and functionality while ensuring cross-domain compatibility. The script embedding method uses JavaScript to dynamically load form content. This approach offers better SEO performance, faster loading times, and more seamless integration with your parent page. Here's a direct comparison of both methods. iFrame embedding is ideal for quick implementation and maintaining consistent styling, while script embedding excels in performance and SEO optimization. Both embedding methods are designed to be responsive as of 2025, automatically adapting to different screen sizes and devices. This ensures your forms work seamlessly across desktop, tablet, and mobile platforms. To obtain your Jotform embed code, start by logging into your Jotform account and navigating to the My Forms section. Select the form you want to embed from your forms list, then click the Publish button to access embedding options. In the Publish menu, choose the Embed option to access different embedding methods, including iFrame and script options. After selecting your preferred embedding method, you can customize settings like width and height, then copy the generated embed code. For script embedding, the code is more lightweight and offers better SEO performance. Simply insert the script tag into your HTML where you want the form to appear. When implementing embed codes, always use HTTPS for security, test across multiple browsers and devices, and consider providing fallback options for users with JavaScript disabled. Once you paste the embed code into your website's HTML, your Jotform will be seamlessly integrated and ready to collect responses from your visitors.